Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to reveal what I have in my bag, Birkin edition. So this is the Birkin 30 and it's the perfect size for everyday bag, and I'm going to reveal what I have in my bag. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos about luxury handbags, shoes and fashion. Please consider subscribing if that's something you like. So I have an organizer in my Birkin, and it's to protect the bag and also to organize the bag. The bag has only one big compartment with a front pocket and a back zipper pocket. So I'm going to take out the organizer to make it a little bit easier. So here's the organizer with all the things inside. I currently have this one from Samorga, but I plan to buy a different one because I'm not that happy with it. So I'm going to put it down and show you one thing. So the first thing I have in my bag is a pair of sunglasses, and these are my new Dior sunglasses. So here they are. These are the Dior Signature B1U sunglasses. I bought these for my birthday and I really enjoy wearing them, and they are my go-to sunglasses now. They are really easy to bring with you because they are quite solid, and I love that you don't have nose pads so they don't get stuck into your hair. And I really love the details on them. Like you can see here, it says Christian Dior. So yeah, that was my sunglasses that I currently wear now. I usually carry my sunglasses with the cases because I want to protect them, and it feels wrong to just put them inside your bag. And I like this because it is quite flat and soft, so it doesn't take up that much space. So the second thing I have in my bag is the dust bag, and this only applies to the Birkin, and that's because I'm quite a new Birkin owner. I really want to protect her and keep her clean and beautiful. I place the Birkin on the dust bag when I'm, for example, at a restaurant where I don't want to place the bag on the couch or in a chair that looks dirty. I know this is being overly careful because it has feet, but I'd rather be safe than sorry when it comes to my Birkin. But I'm mainly using it when I'm traveling. For example, when I'm going through security, I place the whole bag inside the dust bag so it doesn't get dirty. And also when I'm sitting on the plane, sometimes you have to put your bag down on the floor, and then I will place it in the dust bag and on my feet. I don't know if you guys do it too, but let me know in the comments. So the next thing I have in my bag is my keys, and they are in the Louis Vuitton key pouch. I really love this key pouch and I think it is so practical because I'm so afraid to put my keys inside my bags. Even though I always have organizers in my bag, I'm scared to scratch the leather, and therefore I think the key pouch is a great product to protect your bags from key scratches. Currently I only have one key in my key pouch, but you can carry, for example, cash, cards, car keys. So that was the third thing I have in my bag. The next thing I have in my bag is my card holder, and it's a card holder that I am not particularly proud of, and it's the only thing I own from Gucci, and it's the Gucci Mormon card holder. I have had this card holder for almost 3 years and it's held up pretty well. So it's good quality, but I'm not a big fan of Gucci. I have wanted to swap this for a Hermes or a Chanel card holder, but I haven't done it yet. And the reason why I haven't done it with the Chanel card holder is because I cannot get it new in Norway because there are no Chanel stores here in Norway. So I'm planning to get a Chanel card holder as soon as I'm going abroad. So the next item is overprotective part 2, and it's a dust bag where I put all the makeup and such inside so it doesn't leak or something inside the bag. So I'm going to put it down and take one thing at a time. So the first thing I have in the dust bag is a tiny hairbrush, which I use to touch up my hair when I'm out and about. And I really love that it is so tiny that it can fit in all my bags. This is a very important essential for me when I'm carrying my bags. Speaking of hair, the second thing I have is a hair tie for obvious reasons. So the next thing is a Hermes hand cream, and I really love this one. I got it for Christmas and I have used it ever since. It doesn't feel greasy on your hands, which is perfect when you are out and about and, for example, carrying a bag. It is quite pricey, and I don't know if it's worth it, but however, it is a very good hand cream and I think I will rebuy it when it's empty. Next is a hand sanitizer. I don't use it that often, but it is very handy to have in your bag. I'm not a fan of the hand sanitizers in the stores. They can often be uncomfortable and they can be difficult to absorb into your hands, which leaves you greasy on the hands. So it's better to have one that you can count on. I really like that it's so flat and doesn't take up the space in your purse. And I also have had it for a while and I can say that this one is leak proof. And the next thing I have in my bag is wet wipes. I really love to carry this because you never know when you need to wash your hands, especially when you are eating food. I would never touch my Birkin without washing my hands, and I actually use these a lot and they are very useful. And the next item is my Chanel Lippy, and this is a very good lip balm. I use it all the time when I'm home, when I'm out, and it is perfect for hydration. I get really dry on my lips, especially in the winter, because here in Norway it is very cold, and this one is a lifesaver, so I bring this with me everywhere. Next item I bring with me is the Dior mini lipstick, and this is in the shade 100 Nude Look Matte, and I really love this, and the size is very practical, and here you can see the shade. So yeah, that was the lipstick I bring with me in my bag, and I really love Dior lipsticks, and it's so practical to have minis in your bags. Another thing I have in my bag is the Chanel compact powder. This is the Le Beige in the medium color, and I really love that you have a mirror inside the compact. And I use this powder for touch up when I need a little bit more bronzer or color in the face. It gives me the perfect color. And I think the next item is very obvious, and it's a brush to apply the bronzer, but also just to touch up other things. So the next item is the best powder in the world, and it's the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte, and it's the best powder I have ever had. I get very shiny in the cheeks quite easily, and this one is the perfect to just touch up your makeup, and it looks so fantastic after you have applied it, and it doesn't show. So when I got the tips about this powder, I instantly bought it, and ever since I have used it every day, and I'm so happy with it. The powder also comes with an applicator, which is quite nice, so you don't have to bring with you any brushes or something if you just want to carry the powder with you. And it also has a mirror. So the last item I have in my bag is this Dior Lip Glow Oil. I recently got it and I really love it, and it has become my favorite lip product in a very short time, and I really understand the hype about this product. It gives the lip a natural glow and it looks so good. And this is in the shade Rosewood, which I found to be the best shade for me. So yeah, that was the last item I have in my bag. So I'm very happy with all the products that I bring with me. So that was it for this video. Let me know in the comments which product was your favorite, and if you're using some of the same products as me. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're not done watching yet, here is another video, and goodbye.